I was thinking about getting a new roof because standing at the end of the driveway one day, it was going stripy. And there was a streak across the thing where you could tell, uh-oh, there is a leak up there. It's not dropped on her head yet. They had been doing a roof a couple of streets away. So they came and we didn't make arrangements. They gave me cards. So I thought about it, talked to my son. The gentleman came and took a look at the condition of the house and the ceiling, and it was rotten inside, in the roof. He was very gentlemanly, very kind. He understood what he was doing, and he explained everything, what we should do, what we shouldn't do. I have never seen such work. Off they went, and they were here for 14 hours. And the next day it was the same thing. They were just delightful. I was amazed. Oh, I think it looks wonderful. It really does, and I like the choice. I certainly would. They were very good. They even, when it was raining a little bit, it didn't seem to bother them. They kept going. I mean, I don't know how they did it. It was wonderful.